come out here to shoot videos of birds gathering at my bird feeder, and when I came out they all flew away. I scared them, I guess. I'll wait here a little bit and see if they come back. I hear a mockingbird up there somewhere, but I can't seem to locate him. I'm going to keep searching. I came out here to get away from the cooped up feeling I was getting inside. And we've had a string of 100-degree weather. It's been 100 degrees or higher, and it just continues on week after week. I think it's like the third week going right now. All the cactuses have lost their blooms. They're starting to shrivel up a little bit, and I'm just trying to get rid of my cabin fever. You know, looking at my backyard, you wouldn't think it's that hot out here right now, but it is. And I fertilize the lawn and water the grass. I take care of it so it's a small oasis in the middle of the Chihuahuan desert. There's a few blooms remaining on the oleanders. This is one of our white oleanders that still has a few blooms on it. This oleander still has some blooms on it. It's a red oleander. Now there's a dove. Finally came back to my bird feeder. I think he or she is trying to tell me to put some more seed out. She looks in there and then she looks at me and flies away, almost in disappointment. Here's a white-winged dove that finally noticed I put some seed in the bird feeder. It's been checking it out for a while. Finally decided to work up the courage to come in and feed there. It's good. Maybe other birds will follow. I put some water in this water tray, and I think the birds will discover it rather quickly because it's been so hot today the past few days. I'm sure water would be welcome. I see a little finch has come in. Looks like the other dove got its fill and flew away, but there's a little finch. I think it's a female finch that's come in for her share of the seeds. Very cautious. They're on the other side of the feeder, kind of trying to hide from me, but they're peeking out once in a while. I'm starting to get kind of hot right now. Getting ready to go inside and make me an iced tea. I think that's what I'll do. I'll go inside and get me an iced tea and come back and take some more videos of these birds. Okay, I'm back again. I just made me some iced tea. Can you see it? It's fresh brewed iced tea. It came from a bag. I put the bag in the microwave and cooked it with purified water and added some sugar to it and put some ice cubes in it. And this is what I got. This is my iced tea. Oh, that's good. It's nice and cool. It's got a little sugar in it, just the way I like it. Now, back to the birds. You see that dove, how its tail's going up and down? He's saying, this is my bird feeder and this is my seed. And when that tail goes up and down, he's flagging everybody off. You know, it's about 6 o'clock on Monday right now, and we got a road behind our house. Some of these people coming home from work, they floor their cars, man. They really get down, thrash them. You can hear a lot of road noise behind our house this time of day. Well, this little dove knows me. He's a regular here. I think he even sleeps overnight in the tree. He's not afraid of me. And he kind of does on this nest. When other birds come in, look at that. Look at that. Look what he's doing. Huh? Attack each other. Anything to win the food. Yeah, I've got bird fight over this nest. See, there's other doves out there on those branches. They want to come in for a landing, but this dove sitting on top is waving them off. Look at this guy. He's just, I mean, he sees the bird feeder's empty, and he really, or she I should say, wants to fly in there and take some of those seeds. But I think she's afraid. I think she's afraid of the other dove. I finally got smart and hung this bird feeder with baling wire because the rope and any string or anything I used on it just didn't hold. There's too much traffic on this bird nest. It just break, and I should say not bird nest but bird feeder. There's so much traffic that it would just break the string. Look at this dove up there, preening herself, preening her feathers. Looks like it's missing a head, but getting its feathers ready for flight, cleaning off all the little insects that might be on her. Let's go in for a closer look. And there, you can see the feathers on the dove. She's getting in there and really getting those feathers clean. I like the stripes on the wings. I think they're neat. I'm not sure why they make the sound when they take off. It's kind of a squeaky sound. Maybe it's the wind flying through the wings or something like that. But it's a pretty bird right now. Another dove flew in. I think I see a bird fight. A bird fight brewing. They're making nasty sounds at each other. I don't know. This is the dominant dove. Look at that tail. Oh, it's mad. This one's mad. I just buy this cheap bird seed at Walmart. Bird feed. It's got corn in it, sunflowers, thistle seed. I don't know, some kind of other seeds, but it seems like all the birds that come around, they like it pretty much. And it's only $6 for a 20-pound bag. This one's waiting to see what's going to happen. Just kind of hanging out. Aren't they pretty? Let's see if I can get a close-up of this. I like those orange eyes. You know, this bird is panting. I guess they can't sweat. It's so hot out here. I haven't seen a dove panting, but this one is panting. It's a hot bird. I think it needs to get out of the sunlight, get some shade or something. But it's a panting dove in 100-degree weather. You know, I've taken a lot of pictures of birds, but I've not seen one that would pose for me like this. This guy is, or maybe gal, is actually posing for me. I like the beauty, the eyes. Look at the blue rim around the eyes. And there's some kind of I think it's a slot for the ear. I don't know if there's feathers missing or that's a black streak. Kind of right there on the cheek side. It's kind of interesting. You know, there's going to be a bird fight here. I wonder what makes one dove dominant over the other dove. Because these guys, it's like they don't want to share. Fight with each other. Yeah. I think a fight is imminent here. There's got to be a fight here. gonna who's gonna roll the feeder. These birds must be pretty equal. They seem to be respecting each other. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out. Look at this. Now I got 3 birds on a feeder. Something's gonna give. This doesn't look like it's gonna end well. Hey, there's a finch. Came in to take advantage of the vacancy. You got it right on top of the other bird. Got to claw him. Who said mourning doves were peaceful? That bird doesn't mind being climbed on. Look at that. There's one on the ground. Says, forget the bird feeder. I'm going to get seeds that fall off onto the ground. I'm tired of fighting up there. I don't want anything to do with it. Well, 2's a couple. Another one came down to go on the ground. And they're looking for spilled seeds. Not a bad idea on a hot summer day. I bet the grass is cooler than the tree branch. They don't seem to be facing off, but I'm not sure. They're checking each other out. Looks like they just want peace. Here's a good shot of a dove in the bright sunshine. Look at the wings. Isn't that beautiful? He's shy. He's got to hide from me in the pine branches. I don't know. I don't think he's eating anything. I see another bird fight coming. Let's see how long it stays peaceful. They say 2's company and 3's a crowd. They flap each other with their wings. Can you imagine that finch chased the dove off of that branch? That finch is so much littler. Here's one just waiting for his turn. The one on top's trying to peck the one on the bottom. Let's see what happens. Something's gonna happen. Oh, they're giving a wing flap. Look at that. Look at that. Got to beat each other up with their wings. It's like quick punch, you know? Look at that. Even a finch. Well, the sun's starting to set. A hot, cloudless day is coming to an end, and the birds are coming home to roost. And it's just about time for me to get up and go make some dinner. It's my hope that you've enjoyed watching the doves feeding today, and I've enjoyed making this movie, and thank you for watching.